Today I'm going to be talking about how you can bypass the administrative right to install programs. When you have a computer that's linked to network domain with your company, or your IT is restricting the computer for getting the program to be installed properly with administrative rights. The perfect way to go around this is to use Microsoft Store, because you can download and install the app without the need of any administrative right. And I will show you how it works. Just have to go to Start and type Store. Open up Microsoft Store. And then just head to the top where it says search for apps. I'm just going to type Whiteboard, for instance. It's an app from Microsoft called Microsoft Whiteboard. Pretty cool app. Give it a try as well. I'm just going to click install on this one, and it will download and install the application without asking me for administrative rights. And also I'm able to uninstall the application when I'm done with it without even the need for me to enter any administrative rights. So if I go and show you, the application is already installed and I'm ready to use. Let's say I just don't want to use it, I want to uninstall it. I will show you. I will just go to apps and features, and I will just type Whiteboard here, and then just click on install and click on install. It will remove the app without even asking for administrative rights, and that's the beauty about Microsoft Store. If you're trying to download and install programs from there, you'll go around the administrative access rights that always comes and pops up for you when you're trying to install any programs that has restriction from IT on the computer. Also, Microsoft Store doesn't need you to be signed in. You can sign in if you want with your Outlook or Live.com or Hotmail account, but you can also click cancel when they ask you for signing in. Here I'm signed in, but you can just click cancel and you can still download and install application using Microsoft Store. I hope you liked the video, guys. If you do, kindly give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section. I'll be very happy to return with an answer for you guys. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel, and you will be able to see all my newest videos. And until the next video, I wish you a great day, and I will see you soon. Cheers, bye-bye.